The starter is installed. Nobody cares how to replace a starter on this because it's typically not going to go bad unless a scenario like this happens with flood damage. But you turn these collars right here after you take the throttle body off and rotate this thing out, and it's in the middle top of the engine. So with the new starter in here, we're rolling it out right now, and we're about to fire this puppy up.
No oil.
Yeah. That breaks in the cylinders whenever when you run it with no oil.
Are you clear on that side?
I'm clear, yep. So we're about to see how this thing runs.
If it runs.
Look at that exhaust. Woo, sexy.
How would you want to record it?
I'm recording it for the haters. Haters like to hate, but really they just motivate. Look at those turbies. Thing's about to roar. Up or what?
Titanium.
Is this bank 1?
Bank 5. Bank 5 or bank 8.
Yeah. Do we have an issue here with bank 1 or?
The water in the fucking flood.
Just water, huh? Let me take a good little whiff of this.
Few moments later.